Hey everybody, got something new and interesting today. So in my real life, I'm a nerd, surprising, and I'm also a road warrior. So I'm not at my desk all that much. Anything I carry's gotta be small, light, compact, and serve a lot of purposes. So this is really neat. This is a laptop stand and port replicator. Even high-end laptops never have enough USB ports. Sometimes they have HDMI outputs, sometimes they don't. So this thing solves a bunch of problems all at once. And look how minuscule this is. Check this out. Open it up, stand it up, put it on a table. Works with tablets, iPads, game stations, whatever. But look what you get. We've got power in, USB out, another USB out, SD, full size and micro card readers, HDMI output, and USB-C 3A type ports. You can adjust the height. And then it's got these little feet that open up to stop your device from sliding over. This is one of those things that you didn't know you needed until you see it. And this is my work from home station. This is too low for my monitor, and I have learned how important workplace ergonomics really are. So by setting up my stand like this, my monitor is about right here, which is much more level with my eyes, which makes operating much more pleasant. So super, super neat, super simple product that closes up into a minuscule little package that anybody can fit in a backpack, briefcase, whatever. So if you need a last second present for pretty much anyone, because everyone's got either a tablet, an iPad, or a laptop, and we're all working from home, moving around, this is a very unique present, not a lot of money. So check out a link down below if you think this might be a cool thing for you. I really love it. I'm really enjoying it. Thanks, everybody.